Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and I'm several months into using the Osmo Pocket, and I will say it's my favorite action camera to date. And my favorite mount is what you're seeing right here, and it's actually very simple to do. One thing that I wish that that DJI would do with the mount is that if I turn it around so that the screen's facing my head, it won't fit in there, just because of the design of the mount that goes on to the Osmo Pocket. But it's not a big deal because all I've got to do is triple tap, and it's in essence now it's filming in selfie mode, so it's like it would be filming towards me, but in this scenario it's filming forward because I've got it mounted on my head. But this thing is really cool. It's one of the coolest perspectives because you're walking, so it's kind of looking where you are, but it's in a gimbal stabilized fashion. You know, unlike a GoPro that's the newer models, they have software stabilization, but keeping things horizontal is something that a gimbal does a really good job of, and you can't really get that. Although the current model GoPro footage looks good, it doesn't look good as a mechanical gimbal. You know, so for that reason, this is my favorite scenario. The other thing is, you notice my hands are free. So if I'm filming this on my head, you know, I can pull out a smartphone and look at other things, or I can I can pretty much do whatever I need to do. So it's a cool convenience, and it's one of my favorite mounting options for the Osmo Pocket. I mean, the Osmo Pocket handheld is excellent, but being able to mount it to one's head or mount it to a monopod, I mean, it really opens up the realm of opportunity for filming action type videos. Again, it's not waterproof, it's not ruggedized, it's not in a waterproof housing right now, so you know that is a win that the GoPro has. You know, having the current model GoPro that's somewhat very well waterproofed without an external housing. It'd be cool to see a future Osmo Pocket that you know, maybe even if it's not ruggedized, maybe at least it's completely waterproof. That would be really cool. But yeah, I like this. I like being able to put it on my head. I mean, it kind of makes you look like a unicorn. But when when you're out and you're filming and you're capturing really cool environments with very smooth gimbal levelness. I mean, that's, you know, being level versus, you know, a GoPro that would get kind of wonky if you turn your head. You know, keeping things level, that's a huge win. And then also stuff that's mechanically stabilized, at least with current software stabilization technologies, mechanically stabilized gimbals on today's market are going to be a lot better footage. So, you know, when you're posting videos to YouTube or sharing with friends and family, and you're watching that video, something that's filmed with a gimbal solution such as this is going to look greatly superior to the viewer. And they may not know the tech. They may not understand, well, that was a gimbal versus a software stabilized camera. They're probably not going to know that. They're just going to see the footage, and they're going to say, man, you know, that looks really good. How did that look so good? So you can expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find where to order the Osmo Pocket, the head strap rig that I'm using, and the mount that I'm using to attach the Osmo Pocket to the head strap rig. So I hope this video provided value. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video, and share this video and any of my videos with others. I'm an independent channel, and your subscriptions and support help tremendously. Thanks so much, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Rick Sky's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.